over here?
Kevin.
Ripolino.
Kevin. What are you doing today?
I don't know.
I hope you do.
What do you mean you don't know?
What are you guys doing?
We're eating popcorn.
He's good popcorn.
And drinking iced tea.
And he's starting the chainsaw.
Watching Uncle Paul or whatever. Uncle Paul. Uncle Kevin.
Okay, we're getting ready to run in case the tree comes this way.
Okay. Mr. Uncle Kevin.
So it'll pull it that way, I hope.
Go get a plant.
Who's he eating now? I'm just gonna stay right here.
Back up.
Okay,
Good morning.
let's go on to the steps. Here, sit down over there. Take that.
No, it's not.
Try to come closer. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. Woo!
It shook the ground.
Yeah,
felt that.
see? I know, that's right. It's really heavy. Wow, how do you like that, Bo?
That was pretty funny.
Yeah, fun.
Oh.